Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm doing something different. I'm actually going to be doing unboxing for Hot Wheels. It's a sealed case. This case is not the brand new case, but I'll be having a newer case in like less than a week or in a week around there. I'll be basically having the 2023 case. These cases I'm not 100% sure what year it is, but I know it's an M case. Uh, if I look at back of the thing, uh, I don't know where I saw the year earlier, but this is a 2021 case. I think it's either 2021 or 2022. I don't know what it is. 100%. I don't know. I don't know if there's a location where it says the case, but yeah. So um yeah. But anyways, this is the unboxing for these. So I got this little truck, the custom Chevy. Um, I got a no wait, it's a Honda Civic Custom, and then I got a Dodge Charger SRT, which isn't this car I have right now. It's a duplicate because I already have it over here in my wall. So I have some other cars over here that I'm starting a whole collection eventually. But I already have this one already. Um, so we got here a 58 or 68 El Camino. Um, there's another duplicate I already have, but it's a Lotus Sportus Elise. Um, so And then this one's a new one I don't have. It's a Demon too. It's a 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Something new I don't have yet. So, and another badass car. I don't have this one either. It's a Lamborghini Scion. I can read FXP 37. This is another new car I don't have. Um, I don't remember if I have this one or not, but it's a Fusion Busta. I already have this one, I believe, which is the Batman vehicle. I already have this one as well. Uh, this is a lay-in lowrider. I don't have this one, so I'm gonna add this one to a collection. Um, it's a Dodge Viper RT10. I believe I have a Dodge Viper, but it's not convertible. This one's the convertible version. I have the non-convertible one. So, uh, this car I already have already, I believe. Yeah, it's a Koenigsegg Regera, so I already have the Koenigsegg Regera, so it's just gonna be another duplicate that, when I mean I already have them, I bought them, like, I went to the stores and stuff, like, I was just searching random cars. And then this one I already have as well, which is a sand burner. This one I have as well already. It's a Corvette Gasser, 1962 Corvette Gasser. Or that's, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but uh, I don't have this one, which is a Cyber Speeder. Uh, oh yeah, by the way, there's 72 of these, so it's gonna be a little bit. But yeah, anyways, this is Honda S200. I don't have this one yet, so this is a new car I'm gonna be adding to my list. I mean, like the duplicates, I'm probably gonna be adding them, but or some of them I might be trading them out with people or stuff like that, if anyone wants to trade or buy or whatever. But yeah, and then we have a Mazda RX-7, which I'm not 100% sure if I do have this one or not, but I might have to double check because I do have an RX-7, but I'm not 100% sure if it's a red one or it's a different color. But yeah, and then I got another duplicate of this one, which is another burner. This one, so I guess you could say I have three duplicates now. Well, three together, I guess. And then I don't have this one. I mean, I do have one, but it's gray. This one's red, which is a highway rapid response. But I'm not sure if the gray one is actually the rapid response or what is it, but it looks like it. And then I got another Honda Civic Custom, so I could just, this is another duplicate from here. So in other words, I have two of these in the same package. Then I got this lightning bug, which is something I don't have yet. And then, sorry guys, just like, I have a Lito Diesel, which I don't have this one yet either. Give me a second, guys. I just have to clean the camera. I got another Mazda RX-7, so it's another duplicate of this one. So I got two of these now. I'm not sure if I have another one over there, like I said earlier, but I have to see. And then I got another Rescue Duty, which is another, it's a different one, but it's another one. And then I got a Hot Wired, which I don't think I have this one. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think I do. Driftista, I'm not 100% sure if I have this one or not, because I recently bought some couple of different ones, but I'm not 100% sure if I have the Driftista, but there's this one. This is a Toyota Supra. Sheesh, it's an actual Toyota Supra. That's the main reason I this car is I'm gonna keep for sure. I've been like trying to like get one of these. Sorry about the one I said sheesh. It's just I haven't seen this one in a fat minute. Well, the Toyota Supra I'm for sure keeping. We got another Dodge Viper RT10, sorry, which this is a duplicate from the one I got earlier. So, and then we got another. Oh, I'm not sure if I already said this one before, but I believe I did. It's a Dodge Charger SRT, which is it's basically another rescue vehicle. I don't have this one, but it's pink. I don't know why is it not focusing. Wait, let me see if I turn on the flash. Nope, the flash made it worse. Okay. So it's a Hot Wheel Warp Speeder. Actually. Oh, it's a freaking it's a freaking what do they call it? Scavenger. No, it's a fuck. I forgot what the word's called. I think it's a scavenger hunt. It's so I got basically a scavenger hunt car. I believe that's what the fire point means. I don't know, but I got a scavenger car. So it's another good one. I got one of these. Which, that means it's actually a good box, because I believe they only come 1 in 4 out of them, I got another duplicate of this one, which is basically the same thing as a Corvette, I think. A Corvette Gasser, yeah. And, this a Sisto Rat car, or Sisto Rat, I don't know if I do have it or not, but I gotta double check and everything. And then I got Dodge Challenger drift car. I was just looking at what it was called before I put it down there, just in case it didn't show. But I got Dodge Challenger drift car. Got 2005 Ford Mustang, which I don't have that either. I already have this one, which is the Nissan Leaf Nismo. RC02, I believe. That's what it says right there. So, this is a Nissan Maxima drift car. I'm just gonna start reading them beforehand. I put them there, and then let me dig down, guys, because I gotta get the other one, the row in the bottom. There's Fusion Busta, which is a green one. I'm not sure if I already said one earlier, but there's that one. And then there's a Camaro convertible. And then we got another Batman car, which is another duplicate. So basically I have 3 of them now. So we have an 84 Mustang SBO. So we got this Mustang, which this Mustang is pretty cool. I don't have that one yet, so we got a 71 Lamborghini Miura. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I have this one already. But We got another, well, not another, it's a GMC Hummer EV. When I said another, it's because I already have one of these already in my collection, but, oops. We got a Nissan C Proto, which is, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure if I have it or not, but I don't think I do. But it's a Nissan C Proto. What the hell is this? We got turtle shell. It's kind of cool though. Actually, this is pretty cool. I never seen that one before, to be honest. The turtle shell is kind of cool. We have a '69 Dodger 500. I'm not sure if I have it or not, but there's another one. Damn, this one's heavy. What the heck? Oh, this one I don't have for sure. It's a snowstormer. Which later on when I get my 2023 car, it's gonna be a B case, guys. I will be showing you guys what it is. And this is another Challenger drift car. This is a McLaren Alva, which is gonna be my first McLaren on my list, I believe. I'm in my collection. Supercharger, I believe I already have this one. Supercharged, sorry, not Supercharger. Supercharged. Hot Wheel Rapid Response, which I already have this one already. Lito Diesel, which is another one that's another duplicate from the other ones over here. Volvo A50 Estate. I already have this one in my collection, but it's another one. So as you guys can see, there's gonna be halo duplicates because this case is not a brand new case. It's a case that I technically already found a few of them in stores and stuff. But yeah, there's gonna be a few duplicates. 60 El Camino. I think I already showed you guys one of these. And this is another one I already have as well, which is the Camaro SS. I already have a green one. It's 2018, yeah. Well, I already have one in my collection. If you guys want to check out my Snapchat, like it's gonna be Snapchat X and Miguel X Alien X. If you guys want to check there, I will be posting like duplicates and stuff like that. If you guys are ever interested in trading or buying or whatever. But this is another Honda S200. Another turtle. The tortoise, or whatever it's called. Oh, I don't have this one, but it's a Lancia Delta Integral. Barbie Extra, what the? Oh, this is a new car I don't have, but it's kind of, I don't even know what the heck. Oh, anyways, Barbie Extra. And then we got another Lamborghini Scion, so another duplicate. Which I'm not really too mad about duplicates, especially when they're like Lamborghinis or cool looking cars, because I'll take them, you know. And then we got a boat, I think, or a car. I don't know what it is, but it's an X34 land speeder. And then we got another Batman car, another duplicate. There's gonna be hella duplicates, just a quick heads up, guys. Then we got the Proto. Then we got another Lamborghini Miura. Then I don't have this one, but it's a Cruise Bruiser. And it's gonna be the Donut Drifter. I think I have this one already. That's well in my other collection over there. But and we got another Nissan Leaf Nismo. That's a Electro Silhouette. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys the car. It's an Electro Silhouette. And another Barbie car. So yeah, I'll be putting all the duplicates in a bit in a different area. Well, probably my social media, but Nissan Maxima drift car, so it's another duplicate. So yeah, there's hella duplicates. And then Lightning Bug, which is a new car I don't have. But yeah, Lightning Bug. Chevelle SX Wagon, which I don't have either. Bro, but I'm actually glad I found that Super Endo thing. And then we got another one. 2D83 Chevy Silverado. It's a little weird looking Silverado, but it's a little small one. So we got that one. And that's basically completes out of this package. Yeah, guys. So there was hella duplicates in this package. But as well as like what I'm saying, this is an M case. But I believe it's an old M case. I think it's 2021 M case or 2022. I'm not 100% sure what year it is. But this is basically completes it. And then, yeah.